Hello?
Ma'am, I've got some really bad news.
Ma'am, I've got some really bad news.
Hello?
Ma'am,
Yeah?
I've got some really bad news.
What is it?
I left the window open
I left the window open.
and a seagull came in
no.
and took the cat.
And a seagull just came in and took the cat.
What?
A really big one.
It's really big.
And where's the cat?
It took it and flew out the window.
It's gone out the window.
The seagull took the cat?
Yes, Suma's gone.
Yeah, she's gone.
Oh, sir, you're not serious.
I am.
Yeah.
Do you want me to go over to you?
Well, the guards are on their way, but they said they needed like a witness statement, so...
Tell me what happened.
The guards are on their way and they just said they need a witness statement.
What? The cat who fell out the window.
It's called a seagull napping.
Yeah, seagull napping.
The seagull took the cat.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it just
Oh,
went...
sir, are you serious?
And then took the cat.
Yeah, he just was like making this weird noise like and just gone.
Can Subo fly?
I can't believe it. Were you in the house when it happened?
Yeah, but its two other seagull mates were holding me at knife point,
Serge,
so I couldn't help.
Yeah.
do you want me to go over to you? Serge,
Could you come over and bring like seagull
Serge, will you
handcuffs?
talk to me? Serge,
Hi, Mum.
you are a bitch.
Cormac is here too.
Cormac is there.
What's the story?
Oh my God, I for a minute there I thought she's nearly after falling out the window herself.
It's very likely to happen though, to be honest. Oh, you sounded so
nothing better to
concerned.
do with your time.
No, we really don't.
We're trying to
God.
entertain people.
That's not entertaining. You've really put the hard cross there on me. And I was thinking, how could a seagull go in and grab the cat? Jeez.
Oh, I actually can't. Your reaction was priceless.
But when you said the guards were on their way, I said, no, there's something wrong there, because the guards would not be on their way.
The cat
Oh.
guards.
He was telling me what to say in my ear, so.
No, you were technically talking to me the whole time, via Saoirse.
Oh my God, I knew there was something, and I didn't answer I don't normally answer caller, no caller ID. Oh my God, would you just go away? I'm making my dinner here.
Cheers. Thanks.
Oh,
Bobby.
thanks, Mum.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, stop, Cormac, I can't. She was about to come over.
Fingerprinting the place.